Violet's flowers are quite known for being used in cake decorating, as they are pretty, edible, and can be easily candied. But more importantly, syrup made from the flowers can boost immune system. Their leaves also have medicinal values. They are used topically and internally for lymphatic issues, for inflamed skin, rashes, and eczema. The leaves are also good for digestion, sore throats, and coughs, thanks to mucilage they contain. The leaves aren't tasty raw, but they are great to make salves, tinctures, soaps, or cough syrup. The flowers can also be used to make jelly or lemonade. All species of violets, wild and cultivated, are edible and are very easy to identify when in bloom. However, leaves are similar to other plants, so it's best to wait till flowers appear.